1. Liz, what's up? Just noticed I misspelled Diablo. Fixed it. Alright, so... Walker does a little bit funny. Normally it's like the walk is just slow. Oh, and then I do the whole following thing using that way. What's the plan for the day? There's a good question. It is... Oh, no. Oh, no. Currently seeing if I'm... you know what? I don't think I want her to follow here. That's just too slow. I don't know. I'm gonna derp around for a bit and see. Let's just switch back to flying. Oh yeah, it's just too slow. The plan is just to enjoy the tech I have. Let's see, set it to 15. The plan is to make the game more fun than it was yesterday. Okay. As fun as this bike is, man, does it bring up so many extra bugs. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that means... Technically what I should be doing is I've added a new fancy screen for when you sit back down. There you go. Screen comes up, only you barely see it. Oh yeah. Let me share. Let's surround. I did have this one minor idea yesterday, and that once you bring this chick back... No, I don't think I'm gonna draw anything to that screen. It's more like a back of it, most of it. It's just too much work. Actually, the walk speed is almost in line. Almost. It's more that I just wanted to add something that wasn't just a chair, but I didn't feel like building this whole elaborate system. But like a screen that comes up seems like reasonable. And then what I wanted to do was... Because the whole point of bringing an NPC is so that she can effectively enable one of the services you can do at home. Fake if textures. Fake what exactly with textures? I already forgot what I was talking about. I was already thinking about something else. Oh yeah, the screen, yeah. Yeah, I can also, you can do like UV animation. I can even add like a glow to the screen, but I mean, it's just a minor thing. It's not really supposed to be. I kind of hate spending too much effort on it, to be honest. Maybe it's a polish later, but I'd rather like polish combat. This is like the minimum for here. Yeah. I mean, even editing the screen is pushing it. Well, not really. It's not pushing that much. No, what it is pushing is the following. I wanted to... Like, she just kind of stands for... I don't know what to put here yet. But near what is that? When you sit down in a chair, have her, this chick, walk over here and then look at the screen as opposed to be looking at you the way she's doing it now. What? PC chair too. I was thinking about that if I wanted to stand or sit. I don't know. Cause I suppose chair would kind of make sense. Do I want two chairs side by side? So the big screen is there. That's not the worst idea. Not the worst idea to have two chairs side by side looking at the screen. I could reuse the same chair. Yeah, I mean, fine. Fine. Everything is work. Do I do double chair? A double chair. One of them you can sit on, the other one you cannot. Double chair. Double chair. Alright, this is gonna be for NPC. Maybe just 3 is enough. Excuse me? Excuse me? Null. What's null? The hell's null, bro? Bizaxtin likes something. What did you not like? I have no idea. That crash didn't make any sense at all. Did get 2 chairs though. So you can get up on the other chair? Yes, you can. Yes. Although it's gonna be difficult. We can kind of do it. Double chair. Oh. I was hoping to get up on that chair. Guess I don't know what that crash was about. Chair for NPC, let's see. Tech chair, fire market. Home base chair. I'm gonna need to tag a different way for this thing. That's a decent cheap solution. Tag, share, fire market. Market for NPC. I don't know if I need something more here or not. Probably not. Officially, I have too many components to fit in one. Actually, how many bytes? 512. It's more than 512, sadly. Still 2 bytes, right? Yeah. Still 2 bytes, actually. What is a component ID type? Component ID. That's a 2 byte. Yeah, so that's plenty for quite a while. Okay. Therefore, NPC, remove this. 513 components. That's right. That's right. So that's, I don't want to say that on that share. Let's remove this. Oh, wait, which one is which? Oh. Okay. It's 513, not 30. But yes. To be fair, I need to count how many tag components I have that don't have any like value to that. It's just more like a quick little tag. Wait. Doesn't show it here, but shows it there. It's weird. Whatever, let's just focus on the base. Oh, now the camera doesn't want to behave. What did I do? Inheritance? No. For components, is all composition. It's all composition. Some components are big and huge, like your mama's ass. Other components are tiny. So let's see. This is a regular chair. This is a chair that I want. But what? Huh? Huh? Swap around. Yeah. Yeah. Why does it show there? Did I just remove from the wrong one? Share. I don't know why it's behaving. You know what? I don't care right now. Don't care right now. Let's just let it be. Let it be. Which means now I need to get that chick to sit in that chair. Unfortunately, I'm doing everything without like shortcuts. So I actually need to actually walk over to the chair at the right position and play sitting animation. What is that reflecting? What are you reflecting? Oh, that. It's cute. Oh, that's weird. What does it play under that when I wanted to put here? It's so weird. So weird. Maybe it's... I mean, it's the first time actually more than one share, so that partly why. Alright, so now that means the PC location is no longer required. We can just wipe it out of existence. Right? I mean, I might need for something else. Kayan-sama. Hey! I might need it in the future for something else, but right now I don't care. I'll just rather delete it out of existence. Okay. With this. Does this. Next, this is going bye-bye. Sometimes actually delete a component. All that stuff needs to be reworked a bit. It's cracking. What is cracking? Let's see. Tag share. You know what? Why don't I have one component? Because I am gonna have multiple share types. I'm gonna have multiple share types. So maybe what I want is like a share description. What type of share description that is. So let's wipe out these two. Let's see. Wait. I don't feel like creating this whole new thing just for this, to be honest. Home-based share. I'd rather just describe it share here. Type. Market. Layer. Better market and PC. None, I guess is fine. Bruh. None. None, yeah, alright. Anything that says tagged shares going bye-bye. Yeah, why not? Why not? How do you go about making difficulty mechanics? Or difficult mechanics? Technical difficult. It's like I can gain less money every time to work on it. Do you mean like a difficult feature? Or different? Dude, there was one time there was a bug. I was stuck for 1 full week. And I was working like 8-10 hour days, maybe 12-hour days, sometimes a whole week. And it wasn't until like day 6 that I actually fixed the bug. After that, I haven't encountered a serious bug like that before, or even technical challenge. Because if technical challenge, like, dude, if it's your game, you could just adjust requirements or just do just what you can. It's a different thing, like in a job, being given a task, and it's like, it has to be done this way, no other way. And then it kind of sucks. But when it's your own game, if it's something just too hard to implement, just come up with a different solution, different requirement, different implementation of the same idea. If you really need it. Hell, sometimes you might just discard it entirely. Why did I even need that tag? Oh. Right. And share. Or market NPC. Well, so yeah, it just depends. If it's you just like the owner of the whole project, dude, you can do anything. Even just discard the whole idea. You could just be like, dude, I can't implement that. It's too much work. It becomes even easier if you think about it in terms of time. If you have a certain amount of time to implement the game, you only got so much to put into. But yeah, if it's purely your game, the main limitation is not actually the difficulty of implementing something, it's more often time, because you can get difficult stuff eventually. It's just a question of time. Is it worth all the extra time? It might be. Just gotta ask yourself. Okay, market player, yes. I need to make sure that gets saved. Right. Do you have any more hidden tech chairs anywhere? Or did I just not save here? Yeah, I know a bunch of stuff. Oh, I was typing something here. Base share. Yes, this for now. Let's guess walking. Let's have a walk into the chair first, and then yeah. Another good example. If something is too difficult, oftentimes you're just trying to make too much of a jump immediately. Do like a small increments first. Like before going to like max difficulty, sometimes you can come up with a simple portion of that work before. And once you implement a smaller, easier version or portion, sometimes you gain like additional knowledge and understanding, which by the time you finish up, you might just gain enough to actually finish the feature. Yeah. Still showing on the... Oh, I need to tag the chairs. Chair and PC. Phone PC check. Player. Gucci. Yes. And here. Fine, I will deal with label being wrong place later. Let's just start working on stuff. Look, Ansem, have you ever shared any progress on your game? I have a Discord subgroup specifically for your showcase. Or you can link some links on the chat. It's pretty rare to see an indie game working on a 3D game, isn't it? Usually 2D seems very frequent as a game genre look. Anyway, let's test it. Some to bring a girl home, you know what I'm saying? Come here. Well, it's not about being ready for demos. I mean, it's not about marketing. Like, my game's not ready for demo at all. But yeah, it's up on Steam page with playtest and everything else. So you're gonna go to the chair? She did. Once you get to the chair... I don't have automated way to sit on the chair, do I? I don't think I do. This is one guy who's showing a game already here. It's like a web-based shooter thing. Yeah. Check this out. Hell yeah. Somebody been working on this. It's like a web browser PvP game. If nothing else, sometimes you get like motivation to work on it when you can see like when you make snippets of a game. It's kind of nice. Also fun to go back in time and be like, oh yeah, I know that one game, it's my game at some point looked like this, and I have a video of it capturing. Back when it used to be just two triangles, nothing else. Or just like a model that spins and nothing else. On two boxes and so on. Back then it was even the bug of rotation, which I fixed later. It's kind of nice to go back and see that. Anyway, chair interaction. Chair interaction. I don't know. Can certainly try it. Yo. Now, granted, if using a game engine to make a game, it's a bit different. Because you kind of get used to relying on tech from other people. So that makes it more difficult to make a switch. Yeah, I should do this more often. Let's see, what can I do here? I can set the state. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Like, when you work in a game engine, you kind of have to push yourself harder to implement stuff that you need, because you get going to get used to initially, like, everything's kind of easy. You get, like, these big steps in your game working just out of the box in the engine. And then as the time goes on, you need to customize or look at just the way you want to. And that's when you begin to discover all the frictions and stuff you can do. You can still do it, but that's honestly, I find it's more difficult to implement a big feature in the engine as opposed to implement a similar feature on your own technology. Because here is nobody to hold my hand, so I know how all the pixels or triangles are drawn. It's kind of cute. Chair, chair, chair. Standing at this. I think she's here. Oh no, she's still here. Right. And what is the distance at? 2.5. Okay. Let's do this. It's less than 5-ish. Change this. Kind of bike, moving to assigned chair. Chair interaction. Interacting. Because yeah, anytime you're working on a game engine, it's usually have to fight the like big piece of code. You sometimes can't quite see the code. Like in Unity, you don't even get source code in you have Unity. Hold up. Unity source code. Because I know in the past you couldn't have it. Only if you pay for enterprise. It's kind of funny to have to explain it's human readable source code. It actually threw you up for a loop. But yeah. I mean, you could do like, imagine if you knew everything about Respot Unity. You know, you could just do a lot of that. Looks like you at least get access to Unity editor. Oh, wow, they even do like read-only versus full access. Wow. Huh. How much is it? I'm curious. All custom, of course. Yeah. Huh. It's basically a few people actually get it. You know what, to be fair, at some point I was implementing my game using other engines. And I was in the same spot. I just like, dude, I don't want to do it. I hate it. Let me show you. Here is the same game but Unreal Engine 5. Same thing, just gonna run around, destroy chests, blow things up. You get nasty shadow bleeding effects as you run through here. Actually, this one doesn't show as bad. Maybe this one was more. Yeah, look at those shadow bleeds errors. So annoying. I think this was 5.0. I'm assuming 6 has been fixed since. But that was just too much of a pain in the ass. Too much pain in the ass. But it looked pretty, very pretty, but I just couldn't tolerate it. Whereas it's your own, it's like when I was in my own game engine, it's just relaxing, dude. It's just relaxing. I'm gonna assign share, yes. Well, let's see. Once we're here, directing of chair, right. It's save Alt F4, that's funny. Yeah, I mean, you kind of have to ask yourself what exactly you're hating about it. You need to be your own therapist. You have to dig down and figure out honestly what is actually you're not liking. In my case, I hated the engine. Dude, I spent 100 hours of training on Legend 5 on a Udemy course. Then I spent 3 months of free time after main work building up a prototype. And after 3 months, I deleted the whole project and started working on this from scratch. That was just... No. Sometimes you just have to accept that what you want is that you hate engines. And you want to do it yourself. If that's the case. Share interaction. Go approaching chair. The problem is... I think right now this only works for the actual player. Right? Yeah. Is it? Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's only player. Yep, yeah. But you know what they're saying, no matter how far the wrong road you've traveled, turn back. But that was a good find. In fact, I can show you I used to prototype this game in actual open source engine, which I knew very well. I actually wrote books on the engine. Like here's the this is the same sexual project but built on an open source engine I knew very well, wrote books on. And I could prototype this very easily, but even then I didn't have quite the same level of control for what I wanted. This project I still have, but I just didn't trust the engine at all. That was okay. It's okay. Well, that was the old portal. Yep, built out a bunch of stuff. Multi-shot. You know, I don't have this yet, actually. This could have been fun to add as well, to be fair. To be fair. Yeah. What else? We'll get to it as necessary. So this class, unfortunately, I'm probably easiest at this point. Just to copy, make a follower share interaction. Or just handle everything here. How much work is it to sit and share all this? I mean, that's not a small thing. No, it's not a small thing. Probably should make a separate component. Unfortunately, sometimes components just too specific. Sadness. Sadness. Here, man. Take care. In general, I would say, like, if you're not sure what to do, oftentimes what you're missing is more data. You need to think of any way that you can do to get more data on relevant topics. Share. Either with that, abstract this thing out. Can you abstract this out to make it work? Maybe. Because it's a bigger component. A bigger component. Maybe I can just rip it out. Let's see, what is there here specific to player? Anything? Yeah, I should just rip it out. It's a command of code that I do not feel like copying. Okay, let's take it out. There. I think I wanted to have probably need a clock or something. We'll see. We'll see. Snap. Snip, snap. Okay. Canned animation. Yeah, makes sense. Elf scale. Indeed. Animation. Animation. Finder. Elf position. Position. Okay. Pausing the clock. Hmm. No, actually, this is fine. Hip. Hip hip hooray. Hmm. Base. The hip. Fine. Okay. The real question is, when do you bail out and do something else? Right here. That's the one escape route. And we're standing up. Honestly, kind of want to do like an enabled stage for that component. Okay, fine. Standing up. this part. Somehow I need to indicate that this is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. Ending up. Not up sure. Right. Ground, right, out of chair, good, out of chair, check. I'm setting it back to none here, actually. Need to be careful the way I handle none. None, yeah. Alright, let's see if this, make sure this refactor works with the player. Oh no, I need home base. Oh, it almost worked right away. Jesus, dude, I got scared. If it works right away, I feel scared. Dude, I need a filter for freaking components on an entity. Just too many. Just too many. So it's in... Right, good enough. Okay. That looks like it was it. Alright, that's an important rework. Ref and share setting. Okay. That's fine-ish. Fine-ish. Now. To get NPC up on this hot action. I'm actually gonna want to have a debug button to add NPC to home base. To be honest. So what do I need to get? Follower to sit in a freaking chair. Know what I'm saying? So let's see. So we have here. He wants an assigned chair to sit on. I mean, now's the time as any. Just signed. Come here. Going for a ride. Catch a ride. Okay. Let us see, where are we at? Approaching chair, check. Is something disabling? No movement is checked through. Okay, let's go see. Let's go hunt. Approaching chair, correct. Everything is Gucci. Oh, this wasn't set. This wasn't set. Why wasn't this set? I was kind of hoping. The mounting position wasn't computed at all. Chair. I need to see this. Somewhere here, I should go into share mode and it didn't. Was this not in the state? Oops. On the bike so far away. Pinful rolling up. All the way from future China. Yeah, it is a new short indeed. Share setting time. Good. Word state and at. Approaching chair already. Ooh. No. I need to do that. Actually, what did you break on? Oh. Yeah, I need to assign animation, which I forget about. I've forgotten. Chair sitting. Motions. Let's see. Chair sitting down. Chair standing from. And chair sitting. Sort of this. Getting tired of taking these rides. I get tired a little bit more. Okay. Good. This might actually do something. And then do squat. Okay. Wait, where am I at? I'm at none. Oh. Sitting. Why? Oh, this is for twisting. Alright, a few more rides and I'm just adding her into home base. Like that. Just like that. Oh, that world title collapsing. No, get off the bike. You shouldn't be sitting that freaking chair at all. At all. You're a foreign PC. Sitting on that taken? Excuse me? Excuse me? No. Time get into here. Where's bike at? Where the bike be at? Oh, I have it on here. I mean, chair. What the hell do I call it? Be taken. You don't want to get different names. Ready and mounted. Why don't I just say seat taken? Where does this gets used? Gets used and abused. It does check it here. it sets it here. So it does say it through here. So what it does not happen? See taken. Right. So maybe it is sit taken. Epico. Epico. But something sets it back to false. Ain't cool. What would set it back into it? Because it shouldn't allow me to sit in that chair anymore. Like, this chair is fine. But not that chair. Oh, where's that chair doing the thingy thing? I mean, it's fine, but I didn't intend it to be that way. Let's focus not sitting in that chair. Wait, remember? I remember something. Definitely remember. Chair in front detected. There you go. There you go. So that should completely ignore that chair. I have to do something about this. Monitor her. I'll guess actually add navigation detail to it. Boom. But that chair was a good idea, man. That was a good idea. Hey, why is transparency not working? Excuse you? Why? It's just... Light obstacle mesh. As it's enabled here. Right. Camera. Play obstructions tracker. Excuse me? Wait, it works here fine. The hell? With the front door, dude, it works here fine. Works here fine. But not on the home base. Did I just like forget a tag? The frame. Oh, yeah. I did forget it. I done forgot it good. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Base, door frame. Door frame, enable, save. Save. Yeah, there you go. Now we're back to happy mode. Do I care if this is visible? Why not? I don't see a problem. Don't see a problem. It's not even functional. But whatever. Come here. Going for a ride again. On a catch a ride. It's actually not bad, not gonna lie. Yeah, that's fine. I'm okay with it. PC scans it in shares too. Booyakasha. A complete booyakasha. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Let's see. Rowan. I don't want to bump into this thing. So fix navigation check. How's a check box? Oh, really? Oh, this thing is offset anyway. Does this work? Right, next thing definitely working on just have her on a base immediately. I've driven and making enough rides as this. Excuse me? But that was my chair. How did it switch? How did it switch? I don't understand. It just switched. I mean, I don't mind too much, but what did it switch? No, this is for NPC. Get NPC, right. Oh, does NPC not look for it? Does NPC not look for it? Sure, I'm not. So that last ride, last freaking ride. After that, let's build up a system to remember freaking NPCs at home. Okay. No, I didn't mean that. I did not mean that. Yeah, it doesn't particularly move with that. Or do I need to poke at it? Probably need to poke it. Okay. Oh, speaking of which, tomorrow it'll be time for a new next month branch. Maybe even produce a new playtest build. Maybe. Next, I think I need to build a whole save system for the crew. So you remember which crew you got. Yeah. You have to stick it somewhere. No, I might have to take the pawn now. Can I just go here or not? I'm gonna ignore it for now. Here, here. Hmm. 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 Wait, knight's protecting the queen. Kinda okay, kinda not. Kinda not. Let's try this way. Even this looking good. We'll take it. I'm going to take it. I don't want to take, but that seems dangerous. Really dangerous. It's kind of wonky too, but it's a plan. It's a plan. Oh, that was dumb. Like, really dumb. All their work for nothing. Doesn't really do what I want to. It really doesn't. Who is guy want to draw and now he's gonna get punished for it severely. Just absolute severe punishment. Oh, that was too early. It's too early. That was just too early. The hell am I doing? What is he doing? Whew. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, I hate this kind of endings. I really do. Alright. So the crew. It's time to do concept of a crew. I need to expand the concept of a player state a bit more. A bit more. Oh, that was dumb. Dumb. Ooh, I've played a data singleton. What is that? Ooh, player data. Yeah. Gonna stick a crew up in here, I think. Yeah, why not? Why not? NPC for item market present. Recruit. Recruit. Somebody he'll be adding stuff, but I'll be right back. Time for some tea. A few minutes. Almost back. Go through main menu. Okay. Okay. Mr. Cool. Player data, yes, check. Check. Player data. Much have used anywhere yet. Which is fine. One step at a time. First, just that it's there. I probably don't need to say here. Record it. I don't think I need this anymore. Let's go that first. Add a crew. Add crew member stats, such as name, clothing. Oh, yeah. Who adds it? This guy does. Right. Give it to me. True. Base loaded. Anybody else? Or was it this? Oh, that whole thing. Bro, I did not remember. I should put it. Nope. Did Mohirian save? Technically, it should be going here. Technically. As a something. It's a little sum. Okay. Where's this thing at? Here. I don't yet have save player, right? No. It's fine. Fine. Look at that. Date player connections. Right. Righto. Right-o. Okay. Throw that. Be expanded as necessary. Grew on a market check. So that checks out. Now, what I'm loading, I am loading. Doing it the old way, huh? Right. Okay, well, first of all, we need a new prefab. Something that's separate. Something that is separate. I need technically a copy of this whole thing. Well, the whole thing. So let's do crew member. Okay. Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay. But why? Why is this so weird? Okay. Why? Motion 30, whatever that means. Oh, maybe it just has to do with this. Though, does it matter? Yeah. Okay. Right? Yes. Okay. No, buddy. You go into that spot. You are definitely going to that spot. No doubt about it. This one I'm not quite sure. Guess I'll force it. Let's create prompts for him right away. Yeah, I'm gonna get a check in my face. That's unfortunate. Definitely living on the edge. This check in the ends, it's a little annoying. These demos look this way. Here. Yep. Squashed it like a bug. Like a bug. Wow. Great move. What a great move. Was h5 not a good plan? Knight d7. What does the computer want? An f5. Sure. guess this one needs to be flipped around. Or at least. Do it this way. Yeah. So what is the thing here? Yeah, this is E5. Oh. E5 is cute, although it's kind of crazy. But okay. I dig it, because I guess here take the bishop, right? Yeah. And you take here. And this is all nasty and ugly. Castle, no, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. So I don't understand the point of a 5. It looks like it's all interchangeable. 5. Like it just develops, and the point is what? To just ignore? That's fancy. That is fancy. Yeah, and after that is easy enough. Okay. Okay. E5 is wild though. That's a wild one. Too much indirect stuff. It's too much indirection. This whole requested and loaded, it's so nasty. Just so nasty. Oh, this thing. Yeah. Well, it's fun enough. I'm gonna be working all this. So nasty. I don't like any of this. None of it. Right. So, who actually loads it? Who actually loads it? This. No. Not as well. Yeah. Nasty. Loading at a low level. But that's pretty nasty. But do anything else? Is it delay? Think so. Oh, it is this, right? No, time to make it more customized now. Yeah. Yeah. I see. I see. It's not the way I want to do it. But before I take on all that task, this whole thing's gonna go elsewhere. Yeah, I'm okay to keeping this around, but everything else has gotta go. This whole thing needs to get the hell out. Settings. Fair enough. Right. Okay. Please move it here. An update. They should just work with no changes. Yeah. Right. Right. It's ref. Just refactor. Ref for short. Okay. Alright, not have this. Could have the whole spawn home base. Oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Edge of Eternities. Get anything new? Don't want it. It's gonna do more than that to really make it work. Two more. What kind of rank am I gonna have this on start? Do you have spawn map? Right. Could really use a... Gonna be like that, huh? Okay. Excuse me? Oh, sacrifice. Sadly. Excuse me? Oh, need that for some reason, really? Oh, is there something else already? Oh, yeah. Fine. Dude. Still nothing. Wow. What a bunch of bull. There you go.
Okay. Let's see if I can survive this long enough. Oh boy. You know what? Kind of wish. Kind of have to. Go away. Jesus Christ, just keep spawning creatures. But I don't need to take care of this flyer. ASAP. If I live that long. Oh. What did damage to me? Oh. Okay. Come on, give me a damage spell. Nope. That's the game. Right? Yeah. Yip-a-dip-a-dip. The last action of the game to take. Isn't Homeworld loaded up kind of high? No, it's not. I travel up then down, so no. It's the same height as everything else. Same height as everything else. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't want to feel like messing around. Dude, I already fixed you. Base. Four. 9. Oh, that whole thing's nasty. Just nasty. Oh, I can create it? Yeah. Be all? I have a castle there or not? Not sure. Not sure. Down, it's kind of there. Gonna be like that, huh? Gonna be like that. Take. We've taken a knight, actually, I think. Should have snagged it. Should have snagged it. Yeah, let's snag it. Snagging it. That should neutralize everything. Yeah, better take it. That's way more dangerous. Way more dangerous. Two can play this attacking game, little Bubba. Little Bubba. Oh, was this? Why didn't I see that? Now this is gonna be kind of gross, yeah. Yeah. Wow. 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 Right. Run away. Run as far as you can. Can I go here or not? I'm going here. I don't want to castle anywhere, huh? I don't. I think it's time to play H5. Long overdue. Way too much stuff closing down, dude. Dude. Man. I guess just gonna have to make a draw here. Do I take the knight? Probably not. You want? I know what you want, little Bubba. Serbest. Может ходить. Could be annoying. I'll let him get mated somewhere to my face. Should be okay. Run, run, run. Maybe something to go here. I'm not sure if this rook helps or not, honestly. To be honest. Fair, suppose. Not sure I actually want to do this, to be honest. You're here? Exactly, I'm missing. I guess it might fall. Dark here. Not really. One is free. Oh, what did I do that? Works. That works. I just refused to resign. Refuses to. There you go. There you go. Alright, back to spawning logic. It does work at least. Right? Mostly. No, pass laws. Pass laws. Oh. Florida? Dirty? No way. No way. Right. see. Угу. Да, проиграем, пойдем. Там я перерыв играю. Просто кораблем управляешь мышкой. Два можно хорошо ударить. Да. Инди. Бум. Hey. Now game start. Yes. right. That's right. Boom. It's a matter of rant. Let's risk it. Oof, I don't have the heals for this. Oop. No, not the black hole. Need heals. Not this, not this. Heals, heals. Yes. That's exactly what I want. Oh, yeah. Go down. Good. Hey, stop bumping me. Yes. -C burn damage, yes. That hurt. Ooh. Take it. Yes. Level up. Maybe? Oh yeah, ricochet. Sure. Get off me. Let's see. Seems good. Go down already, dude. Okay. What do I want? What do I want? I'm ready for the big dragon. It's going down. Any more heals? Ooh, I'll take my haul. Why more heals? Low heal, pretty nice too, but dude. Get off me. Gotta heal up. Nice tanky little bee. Dodge. Dude, off me. Oh, another black hole. Oh, get off. Oh. No. No chance. No. Don't sit on that line. Comes a big bad dragon. Right after these guys. Oh, what the hell am I? Down already, dude. The final boss. Excellent. No, what the hell is that? Halfway. Halfway. Rip. Rip in peace. And with that, GG's everyone. Till tomorrow.